Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest tech gear and give you honest, in-depth insights. Today, we're diving into a gadget that promises to transform the way you stream content wirelessly. It's the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit from KVZOO. Let's jump right into what makes this little system so impressive. Out of the box, you get one wireless HDMI transmitter and not just one, but 4 receivers. That means you can wirelessly send video and audio to up to 4 screens at the same time. Whether it's for a conference setup, a multimedia classroom, or just a next-level home entertainment system, this device is all about convenience and performance. Now, what kind of performance are we talking about? The system supports 4K video decoding, but it streams in 1080p at 60 Hz, and let me tell you, that's more than enough for sharp, fluid visuals. It's ideal for movies, presentations, or even gaming where smooth playback is critical. And speaking of smooth, latency is kept ultra-low thanks to dual-band transmission using both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. The dual antennas enhance the signal strength significantly, helping to eliminate those annoying dropouts or flickers that plague cheaper systems. What really stands out is the range. This transmitter and receiver combo can handle up to 495 feet or 150 meters in open environments. That's serious coverage. Even with walls in the way, you still get about 164 feet or 50 meters of signal distance. That opens up a lot of flexibility for big venues like churches, restaurants, or outdoor business events. You're not tied down by cables, just plug and go. And that's another thing. This is true plug and play. No apps, no drivers, no complex pairing process. You plug the transmitter into your laptop, PC, TV box, or even a game console, and you plug the receivers into your monitors or projectors. That's it. The system connects almost instantly, and you're ready to go. It's also super lightweight, around 0.3 kilograms for the whole setup. That makes it extremely portable. Toss it into a bag and you're set for an off-site meeting, a seminar, or even a movie night at a friend's place. In terms of compatibility, KVZOO really covered all bases. The kit includes both micro and mini HDMI adapters, so it'll work with just about any device: laptops, MacBooks, cameras, Blu-ray players, and more. You can even stream content from services like Netflix or Prime Video. Just a heads up, if you're using an Apple TV, make sure it's set to output at 1080p 60 Hz for best results. Now, one thing you'll want to pay attention to is power. Each unit requires a 5 volts, 1A power supply. You can plug them into a USB port on your TV or laptop, but using a dedicated USB charger is often more reliable. Undervoltage can cause issues like audio sync problems, screen flickers, or even disconnection, so don't skip this step. A quick reminder: this kit does not support TV-to-TV transmission. The signal is strictly one way, from your source device like a laptop or PC, to multiple monitors or displays. Still, for most users, that's exactly what you need. So who's this product really for? Honestly, anyone who wants to simplify their setup. Whether you're hosting a business presentation, setting up a temporary digital signage system, or just want the clean look of a cable-free home theater, this transmitter and receiver kit is an awesome solution. Alright, that's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more product breakdowns, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want us to test a specific feature. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.